Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control panel on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 4 screws securing the upper rear access panel. Disconnect the wire connector from the control board to fully release the panel. Next, disconnect the ribbon connector from the board. Unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the board from the control panel. Now unthread the screws securing the user interface panel. Pull the panel down to detach. Move the grates out of the way and use a short or offset Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the lower screws securing the control panel. Now unthread the upper screws and you can fully remove the old panel. Install the new control panel by aligning it on the supports, then thread the upper and lower screws to secure. Reposition the grates. Align the user interface panel and secure it with the screws. Position the control board and thread the mounting screws. Connect the ribbon connector to the board. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by first connecting the wire connector to the board. Align the panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.